true or regular product has many advantages that it indicates selling point. For example, it has many fans, but we didn't like it in promotion.
So the problem is here.
Certainly true, but in my opinion, if we want this journal to attract more attention, we also need to encourage the other viewers the ones to develop. If I may intrude, from a financial perspective, it should minimize the budget to be more efficient.
Okay, I'll take the input. Social media specialist, how is our online present?
To be honest, where we already know engagement rates are low and we are not responding to comment with much. We also don't really know where our audience is who are not in.
Alright, good. I'd like to hear from customer support lead.
Let me with the risking for complaint. People are frustrated, will their lives and unfulfilled responses.
Sorry to interrupt. Complaints are not direct at us. Sometimes we occur because information from other teams is not received on time.
Understand why, but to improve service, I would like to request that finance department consider allocating additional budget for support team so we can hire more staff or implement more efficient response system.
Okay, enough monetary abuse. Before approving that, we will need from finance side.
From a financial perspective, our earned thinking expand our high, but the result of all, where must take money on channel that the north.
So we're losing customer and not getting enough visibility. Any suggestion?
We would launch a self-payment policy number for you and customer success.
Maybe behind this video series, this how we do it.
Sorry to interrupt. Can the product team help with content or information that can be used for promotion?
Of course, we actually have many selling points from the product that can be highlighted, for example, natural ingredient, hygienic production process, and testimonials from our loyal customers. However, we need support from the marketing and social media teams to package the narrative in an engaging way.
If we can get access to collection process for our testimony from the product team, that will be very helpful. Behind this concrete is very according to our business today.
Alright, I can coordinate with the production team to schedule a documentation session. We can show how the select ingredients are used and how we maintain the quality of the test.
If possible, we also need insight for the product regarding context. What ingredients or flavor are customers using?
That's a great idea. We can conduct some live research and an internal survey this week, but I also want to ensure that from the communication perspective, the product strengths aren't just written in the brochure. They showcase visually and through real stories. We can collaborate with the content team for that.
So the product team are ready to assist with product content and behind the scene material, right?
Ready, ma'am, as long as we give them time to prepare the materials and support team, the marketing team, and packaging the content. Because honestly, it is just us from the product team, the result might not be optimal visually and in terms of communication strategy.
Alright, this is a cross-departmental collaboration. So make sure communication is smooth. Social media specialist, can you provide content draft this week?
Sure, I will coordination with my team and by Friday we can send an email contract for review by the product developer.
How about offering a limit discount apply by all customers?
We can do that for a month with the color.
If we the intro, Ms. Anggi. I hope that additional staff can really be released soon. Right now, our team is already overwhelmed, especially when there campaign or promote the number of incoming site increases dramatically within the system that have been automation as well.
Understood, customer support. Please submit a proposal for the staff and system requirement this week. We'll discuss the allocation with the finance team.
Sorry, ma'am. I'd like to add to support this one on the staff. We also would electric promotional materials that we can directly distribute to our existing customer database. Please have us from the marketing and contact team quickly so we don't lost momentum.
That's right. Marketing manager and social media specialist make sure the promo materials are ready this week, especially for the discount program and testimonial.
I did everything done, but I asked our division to send me their additionally budget estimates. Don't just us, but also be able to explain the project as well. We have to make sure the funds really make impact.
Agree, finance officer. Our additional proposal must have clear targets and reason. I will not approve a budget without a concrete direction.
That's fine. We will prepare it as soon as possible. Thank you for the opportunity.
We are also ready to move quickly. The important thing is that our division support each other and are open about developments.
In terms of finance, we are ready to help as long as we discuss this thing.
Okay, thank you all for your input. From today's discussion, I have summarized several steps we will take to improve each division. Sales manager, we will run a limited discount for 1 month. Make sure the information reaches our customer clearly. Product development, regarding new flavor variants, we will consider them early next year. Marketing manager, focus the campaign on product advantage and customer testimonial. I will approve additional budget, but it must be used efficiently. Finance officer, please monitor expenses, especially advertising. Allocate funds only to channels that are truly effective. Social media specialists, increase online engagement. Run video like behind the scenes content, but ensure they are consistent and engaging. Customer support leader, we will add staff or support systems for faster responses. However, ensure that coordination between teams runs smoothly. And for everyone, we will evaluate progress every 2 weeks. Remember, we must move quickly and support each other. Do not blame each other because we are one team.
We are
Okay, thank you everyone. Let's end the meeting.